Here is your spicy shrimp pasta. Enjoy your meal.
Oh, excuse me. I think there's a mistake.
I'm sorry, what seems to be the problem?
I didn't order shrimp. I ordered a chicken salad.
Oh no, I apologize for that. Let me check your order.
Sure, thank you.
Yes, you're right. It was supposed to be a chicken salad. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. Mistakes happen.
Would you like me to bring the correct dish right away?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Of course, it will only take a few minutes.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Again, I'm very sorry for the inconvenience.
No worries. Thank you for fixing it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't notice you reaching for it.
No, I'm sorry. I thought you were just looking at the display.
Looks like we both have good taste.
Apparently, it's the last croissant.
The last one always looks the most delicious.
Exactly. That's why I rushed.
Same here. I've been thinking about it all morning.
Really? That serious?
Absolutely. I skipped breakfast for this.
Oh, wow. Now I feel bad.
Don't. You probably deserve it more.
Why do you say that?
Because you look like someone who had a long day.
I actually did. Work was exhausting.
See? Then this croissant should be yours.
That's very kind, but I can't just take it.
All right. How about we share it?
Share one croissant?
Why not? We can ask them to cut it in half.
That's actually a smart solution.
Teamwork already?
We don't even know each other yet.
That can change. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma.
So, Emma, do you always compete for pastries?
Only when they look this perfect.
Fair enough. Should we get some coffee too?
I was just about to order one.
Then it's settled. 1 croissant, 2 coffees.
This might be the best bakery decision I've made.
Sometimes small accidents lead to good conversations.
Or maybe it's just the croissant magic.
Either way, I'm glad I reached for it at the same time as you. Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
No problem. How can I help?
I think I'm lost. I'm trying to get to Central Park.
Oh, you're not far from it.
Really? That's good to hear.
Yeah, but you went a little too far down this street.
I had a feeling.
You need to turn around and go back 2 blocks.
Turn around here.
Yes, then take the second left.
Second left. Got it.
After that, go straight for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
You'll see a big fountain on your right. That's the entrance.
Perfect. Is there parking nearby?
Yes, there's a parking lot right next to the park.
That's great. Thank you so much.
No problem. Are you visiting?
Yeah, first time in this city.
Welcome. It's a beautiful place.
I already like it. People are very helpful.
Glad to hear that. Drive safely.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Good afternoon. What can I get for you?
Hi. I need something strong.
Long day?
Very long. I woke up late, missed my bus, and spilled coffee on my shirt.
That sounds serious. You definitely need emergency coffee.
Yes, please. The strongest one you have.
Our espresso is very strong.
Stronger than my problems.
That depends. How big are your problems?
Big enough to need 2 shots.
All right. Double espresso coming up.
Actually, maybe make it a latte.
So, not that strong?
I want to survive the day, not vibrate through it.
Fair point.
And can I get it with oat milk?
Of course.
Wait, do you have almond milk?
Yes.
Which one tastes better?
That's a very dangerous question.
Why?
Because customers start milk debates.
Okay, surprise me.
Brave choice.
I trust you.
No pressure at all.
And maybe one croissant.
Chocolate or plain?
Which one would fix a bad day?
Definitely chocolate.
Then chocolate it is.
Anything else?
Do you also sell motivation?
Only on Fridays.
It's not Friday.
Then coffee will have to do.
I'll take it.
Your total is $7.50.
That's cheaper than therapy.
And faster.
You just saved my day.
That's what we do here.